how to do a tricep exercise with the rope pull down correctly. Now, one thing I see very often with the rope push down is something like this, where the body is far too bent over, the elbows are swinging around the place, and you're not actually getting a lot of activation through here into the tricep head at all. So what you want to do, cable on a high attachment, rope attachment attached on. You don't need excessively heavy weight for this. Main places you want to consider: foot position, so you need to be relatively close and quite upright. So there is a slight hinge in the hips and a little bend in the knees just to keep the body stabilised. Don't want something here where we're bending over far too much or rolling through the shoulders. So what tends to happen is actually most of the work goes into the front cap of that shoulder rather than locking the shoulders down in place and actually using the tricep. So set the position, shoulders back and down, elbows are tucked in tight. From here, drive the hands down together, and at the very last minute you split them. So keep the elbows locked in, 90 degrees, no higher. Drive down the heels of the hands and split them at the bottom. 90 degrees, no higher. We don't want any swinging, so keep those elbows attached to the ribs. Drive it down, squeeze and open. 90 degrees, or wherever you can with good elbow flexion, squeeze down.